Got 800 on the December Math SAT section, and no, I'm not gonna gatekeep, so let's go over some of those harder questions. So for this question, we're told that the polynomial p of x is defined as the product of the given polynomials f of x and g of x. What is the coefficient of x to the power 15 in p of x? So basically, p of x equals f of x times g of x, and after finding the equation of p of x, you have to find the coefficient of x to the power 15. So let's multiply functions f of x by g of x, and we get this. So here's one thing to remember. You don't really need to multiply every term by each other. We only care about terms with the power 15, so you need to multiply the ones which make up exponent 15 together. Now, if we simplify this, we get 32x to the power 15, which leads us to the answer C. Now, for this question, we're told that in triangle ABC, the measure of angle B is 90 degrees, and BD is an altitude of the triangle. The length of AB is 16, and the length of AC is 19 greater than the length of AB. What is the value of BC over BD? Now, you need to remember that in a right triangle, when you drop an altitude from the right angle to the hypotenuse, we get BC over BD equals AC over AB. This comes directly from triangle similarity. So with that in mind, we just need to apply the shortcut. AB equals 16, AC equals AB plus 19 equals 35. That means that BC over BD equals 35 over 16, which brings us to the answer D. If you need to practice more questions like this, you can go to this website called makon.ai and go to the drill section. Here you can select certain topics that you need to work on, whether that's math or reading and writing. So I'm going to do that now. And let's say if you get a question wrong, no worries. You can just press the explanation button here and it will explain the correct answer as well as the reasoning for every single answer choice. So if you miss either of those questions, you better start locking in for your March SAT. So if you want the link to Makon AI, comment down below Makon and I'll send it to you.